Okay, fair enough. My all respects for our Prime Minister, one of the finest economists we have. Yeah, we do it to just, make you laugh. Yeah, but of course, yeah. I deserve the prize. Will you give me your prize? Will you give me your prize? No, 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 no. No, no, I will not give you my prize. NPCL ke prize I'll take and I'll give it to you. NPCL sitting next to them. Okay. Anyways, guys, this quiz, this section again has 7 questions, plus 70 that you can get. All right. All of these are visual questions. Okay. So the trick of the game is that buzz if you're very sure if you can predict what the question is. If you're not going to predict, I think somebody predicted Runal's question last time and answered it right. If you can't predict and if you get it wrong, that's a -5. Yeah? If nobody buzzes, I'll complete the question. Yeah? But all clues, all visuals on screen. The last round of the quiz, anybody can win from here, but these all 4 teams are champions in their own right. Round of applause to all the teams. Okay, question number 1 on the buzzer on your screen now.
The logo is for BRO, Border Roads Association.
You know what is CMYK? You don't know?
No.
The guy who sells print ads for Times of India is smiling because he knows what CMYK is. All right. I'm just kidding you. The question is, which organization's logo? You predicted me and you said BRO, Border Road Organization, one of the finest road constructors in the country. It's actually managed by the Indian Army, doing fantastic work. This is their logo. They have researched on BRO. 10 points to Genpact. BRO, Border Roads Organization. Super, super quizzing. Question number 2 on your screen now. Yes.
Schrodinger's cat.
Plus 10. Schrodinger, tribute to Schrodinger. On the world of quantum mechanics, Schrodinger's cat is plus 10 to Infosys. 5 more questions to go. Question number 3 on your screen now. Who's gone for it? Yeah.
Bernoulli's equation.
I don't know whether the applause is for Texas Instruments or for मेरे बाप ने इसी क्वेश्चन के लिए मुझे इतना मारा था मैं जिंदगी भर नहीं भूला. Every engineer has a tough dad. Do you agree? You agree? Yeah? तेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा. Finally he's cleared his engineering. He's happy that he's learned his Bernoulli's theorem. Plus 10 on Bernoulli's theorem to Texas Instruments. Question number 4 on your screen now. Before I understand even what's happening, somebody is screaming. You know why? I can't turn around because ET now told me सीधा खड़े रहो ऐसे. Frame में आना चाहिए. 4 बार बोल के गए हैं. Normally I would go near the teams. I can't do that now. Yeah? चलो ठीक है. All right. Frame में हूँ ना sir? All okay? Anyway वो edit कर लेगा ये सब. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. TCS.
David Karp of Tumblr.
Your question is, this shirt is made by Madura Garments, true or false? It's wearing an Alan Solly. TCS बोले इसके बाद ऐसे ही सेकंड में हूँ अभी, इसके बाद ये सब करेगा, बाकी सब का जोक करो, हम मूड में नहीं है. Plus 10, David Karp of Tumblr. Okay, all right. Question number 5. This is a beautiful question. Okay, this is a network of a public transport. Who's gone for it? Yes.
Metro.
Super quizzing. This is how the metro grid lines are in different cities. So you can see London, Delhi, Paris, New York, Berlin. That's the grid. Bangalore, Rome, Philadelphia. That's the grid. Moscow, Tokyo, Seoul, Beijing, Shanghai, Madrid. That's the grid. The metro grid in different cities. Round of applause. Not an easy one to get. Infosys, plus 10. Okay, 2 more questions in this round. Let's move on. Okay, TCS.
This is Elon Musk's Hyperloop.
Elon Musk Hyperloop is 10 points. Super answer. It's a schematic. Engineers understand schematic? Schematics? Boss वही कराता है ना, पहले schematic बनाता है. Okay. Yes, Elon Musk's Hyperloop. Okay. This is the Hyperloop schematic. Super quizzing by TCS. 10 points to them. Last question of this quiz on your screen. Now, who's he? Yes, Texas Instruments. You have to answer immediately if you press the buzzer. Because the last question, I'm giving you a little time, but you have to tell me the answer now. Now or -5?
Tell something. Ford.
+10, +10, +10 to Texas Instruments on getting Henry Ford right. That's, of course, the father of the production line system. Let's, I'll give you one more audience question. I think we have one question from Aditya Birla Global Manufacturing Leadership Programs. Question of the round. Let's open up the question. The main use of salt in the diet is to... hang on. No. Just because it's last question, you can't shout out. Yeah? Yes, ma'am. Second one. Make the taste of the food better. No, I know what you're talking about. Second one is produced in small amounts. Come over. Ma'am, come over. No, ma'am is right, sir. Bad job. How are you even, sir, this man has the balls of even, countering a lady on salt and cooking and all that. No. First one. Make the taste better. Pour more salt. You want to make the taste better. More salt. Or magao. Yeah. All right. Okay. I think we are at the end of this quiz. Okay, I'm from Quizworks. I'll call in my colleague Runal to take you through the proceedings, but not before. So if you want to write to me, tell me that I was stupid on stage and I asked you stupid questions. Please do that. Yeah, we'll welcome that feedback. Honestly, we'll welcome that. You feel we're good? Great. But do connect. That'll be nice. But I will not end the quiz before I tell you who are the national champions of the most unique quiz in the country in the engineering domain, Ascent Engineering Mastermind, that is brought to you by the Aditya Birla Group Global Manufacturing Leadership Program. But before we know that, a round of applause for everybody here who has taken this time out on Sunday afternoon. Okay, now, let's look at the champions. All the way Genpact, all the way from Gurgaon. That'll make their life easier. Pay a little talks, they'll next time they pay tolls, they'll smile. But super quizzing by these guys, young boys here. Round of applause for Genpact again. The champions of your national finals of this quiz. All right, that is all. I will take your leave. Did you guys enjoy the quiz? Yes. Can I have a cheer? Yes. Not louder. Louder, please. Yes. All right, thank you so much. Let me call in Runal and he'll take care of the proceedings from here on. There's a tie. Okay. So it's not over yet. Infosys and TCS, there are two prizes? There's one. No, for the second position, there are two prizes. There's one prize. For the second position. There are two prizes totally. Fair enough, of course. I knew that, I was just checking. Just make sure, yeah? All right, okay. Tiebreaker questions. I'll have to move on. On the buzzer.
Make it written.
No, on the buzzer. Yeah? Which two teams are tied up? Infosys and TCS? Okay, I have got my tiebreaker on. No, I'm going to ask you a question, okay? And you have to press the buzzer and ask and give me the answer. Fair enough? Sudden death, you give me a wrong answer, you automatically lose out. You give me a right answer, of course, you are the runner-up. Okay. Question, SUPARCO, SUPARCO, is the National Space Agency of which country? SUPARCO is the National Space Agency of which country? It's a country, I'll make the question simpler as and when I go, right? It's a country which is India's neighbor.
China.
TCS will smile because they pressed the buzzer and gave me a wrong answer. Infosys loses out. TCS, ladies and gentlemen, are The runners-up of this quiz. It's not China, it's Pakistan that we're looking for. All right, Infosys losing out. Let me call it Runal to take care of proceedings from here on. We have our top two teams. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a privilege hosting the quiz for you. Till the time I see you next time, thank you. Jai Hind. Bites from the economic times.